Hello friends, my name is Hamad. As usual, I am going good. What about you? So friends, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about 10 weirdest things that only happen in North Korea. And those things are gonna leave you shocked. North Korea is a beautiful country, but most of us don't know much about it. Guys, like my video and do subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, we'll have a look on North Koreans. So friends, wherever you go around our planet, you'll always have the choice to choose your hairstyle according to your will. But North Koreans are only allowed to get 15 different types of haircuts that are approved by their government. So you can never have a fashionable haircut living in North Korea, and if one does, it can lead to great punishments. So guys, can you imagine living with such a restriction? Of course no, man. And friends, internet is one of those great facilities that can be found anywhere, anytime, and there's hardly any of us who can live without internet. So guys, you'll be left shocked to know that most of the North Koreans don't even know about internet. Isn't it strange? And it's because there's a complete ban on all internet services, and only a few government offices have an access to internet, whereas the residents of North Korea hardly have an access to country's own internet named Kangmyeon. So guys, many of you might have traveled abroad, and if not, you must have a dream of it. But not everyone has this choice. So same is the case with North Koreans. Traveling abroad seems a lot impossible, but traveling inside the country is also hardly possible. If someone wants to travel inside the country just to visit some relatives, they would have to take special permissions from the government, whereas visiting other countries is impossible. Only a few are allowed by government to visit China, Russia and few other countries to earn money. Moreover, all of us watch TV either for entertainment or for other purposes, but we watch it freely and with freedom of choice. However, North Koreans cannot do this. They have to register their TVs as well as their radios with the police. Even if they have TV, they only have choice of 2 to 3 channels to watch. Same in the case with radios. International stations are prohibited to listen to. And if you do so, you can be in a great danger. So friends, most of you might own a car, and if not, you must have a plan. But can you imagine that you can never purchase it because you are never gonna have so much money? North Koreans live with this reality. In North Korea, very few people own cars, and instead of cars, bicycles are issued with license number plates. This is because most of the people in North Korea are extremely poor and can't even afford food. So friends, if you are planning to visit North Korea, you do not have to worry about buying their currency, which is North Korean wons. Yes, you heard right. You can't use the North Korean national currency to buy anything in North Korea. Because if a foreigner wants to buy something, they'll have to pay in euros, yuans, South Korean wons or US dollars. And you might also not be able to even enter some shops in the North Korea. Friends, the blue jeans you wear every day. Yeah, those you love. You can't wear them in North Korea. Yes, you heard right. They are completely prohibited in North Korea. But instead, you can wear black jeans without any problem. But if you are a tourist, you'll be able to wear your comfy jeans and no one is gonna say anything. However, you'll have to change them visiting some specific places. In North Korea, you can't call abroad using a local SIM card. Even calling a foreigner inside North Korea is considered to be a crime and can lead to great punishment. So do you guys now realize the freedom and facilities your country provides you, or you can imagine living without them? Do tell us in the comments down below. So guys, wherever you live around the world, you must have got a chance to sip in the world famous drink Coca-cola. And if not, you must be on diet or living in North Korea. So guys, North Korean people don't even know about Coca-Cola as they have never seen one. Yes guys, North Korea is the only country in the world where Coca-Cola is not sold or even seen. So friends, the YouTube you are using right now, you use it every day and it's a part of your daily entertainment. This YouTube is not even known by most of the Koreans. On April 2016, North Korean government put complete ban on YouTube as part of their internet ban policy. So guys, don't forget to like and share my video. And please do subscribe my channel.